Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you find Kakaotalk ID. So at first, just go to the Kakaotalk app. Now click the top right settings icon here and click the third option general settings. Click on settings beside your name and click the fifth option here, Kakaotalk ID. You can just create your own Kakaotalk ID by around 4 to 20 letters, which could include alphabets, numbers and special characters. Anything you want. After that, just click the top right OK option and click on OK. If someone have your ID or you have someone's ID, you can just search by their ID. So guys, that's how you can find Kakaotalk ID. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.